Bill Calhoun, and I'm here to do another nutritional product review. Okay, remember last time I did Attain, the Attain nutritional bar? And that thing rocked, man. That tastes really good. Okay, so today, put that one aside. We're going to do Access. Okay, we're going to be doing the Access. Now, what is this? This is exercise bars with advanced technology turns fat into fuel. Turns fat into fuel. Okay. All right. Scientifically formulated to help improve lean muscle with regular exercise, support healthy weight control, boost energy levels. Now, this here is chocolate peanut butter crisp. Okay. Now, as you guys know, I'm doing a challenge. I'm doing a body transformation challenge, and my calorie limit per day is 1,700 calories. My carbohydrate content is 10%. My protein content limit is 30%, and my fat is like 30 to 40% or something like that. Does that add up to 100? I think it does. Okay, so anyway, so that's why I'm trying to look for something that I can snack on, since I probably eat about 3 to 4 times a day, something that won't break my limits, okay? And this here, so let's just take a look at the calories. So this is for one bar. So one bar has 140 calories, and protein, oh, there's not very much protein in here. Maybe that's the reason why they have it as just fuel, okay? It's different than Attain. Remember last time, because Attain had quite a bit of protein in it. Attain actually had 10 grams of protein versus this Access, or SS, however you want to say it, has only 3 grams per bar. The total carbohydrates is 18 grams, okay? So, I don't know. I think in terms of, calories, okay, now what about in carbohydrates? Last time, this one was 23. So actually, for carbohydrates, this one would be good for me, okay? But I'm not sure how it's going to taste, so we're going to find it out. Advanced exercise bar for enhanced workouts and leaner body. So I guess if you're going to be taking this one, if I'm going to take this, I'll probably do it pre-workout, so it'll be my peri-workout bar. So let's just check this out, okay? All right, turns fat into fuel. So I'm just gonna, so it's got this little, how does that work? Oh, okay. So you have to pull, because there's this perforation thing here, it's kind of a zip thingy to unbox it. I hate those. I hate that when it does that. When it, you know, it doesn't tear properly. Or maybe I'm supposed to do this. No, that doesn't look right. Okay, there we go. And I hate that when it leaves the remnants of the stuff. It doesn't really clean it up entirely. All right, we'll just peel those aside, because I'm OCD and I don't like stuff hanging out. But it still has one of those tab thingies, so that once you get everything open and you want to store your remaining bars, you just kind of like do that whatchamajiggy, right? Okay, let's check it out. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 bars in here, okay? And these are inside of, so this is supposed to be chocolate also, with Cocoa Crisps. It pretty much, it looks like the same type of ingredients as before. And it says, oh, okay, yeah. So it says, eat 1 Access bar on an empty stomach, 15 minutes before exercising, okay? So yeah, this is a peri-workout nutrition thing, so that means you won't need your other accelerators before working out. So let's just see. Let's see how this feels on my stomach. It's got that little cellophane wrapper as well. And it pretty much looks like the same bar before, but it doesn't have all those little divots in there. And this smells like peanut butter. It smells more peanut buttery. Why is that? Is there peanuts inside here? Oh yeah, peanut butter. There you go. So there's peanut butter inside here. Let's give this a shot. Wow. Hold on. Here comes the aftertaste. Okay, hang on. That's pretty impressive also, because when you smell it, you can smell the chocolate and the peanut butter. I'm sorry, you can smell the chocolate and the peanut butter. And I was expecting the peanut butter to overwhelm me, because many times when they have these bars, they put too much of one ingredient inside. And it's like, oh, right? But this is really good. This is light also. This is really, and there is no aftertaste. I thought there was an aftertaste coming, but what it was like the chocolate and the peanut butter started to kick in, and I could feel that. And you can see the layering there. So everything is still very, very heavy on chocolate color, chocolate smell, and chocolate feel. However, when I feel this one, the chocolate doesn't melt in my hands like the other one did. I don't know why that is. Maybe there's less chocolate in here, but I can still taste it. It's not like that plastic or rubbery chocolate. This is good. But understand, folks, that it's still got your sugar, syrup, and all that kind of stuff in it, which is not so bad as long as you make sure you don't eat too many of these things. So for energy-wise, I guess it's pretty much what you would expect, because I can imagine, and it's not sitting heavy in my stomach. So as a peri-workout, pre-workout bar, this might just do it. So there you have it. Assess. I'm Bill Calhoun. Oops, sorry. Stand by next time for another product review. I'll leave a link to this product and the other products below. We'll see you next time.